10 steps to trading mastery. I have been teaching traders for the last quarter of a century. That's 25 years. Now, I've been trading, if we count the idiot years, I've been trading for 37 years this month. So like March 2020th marks 37 years trading. I usually don't count the idiot years. So if I count the professional years, that's 32 years. I've been teaching traders for 25 years, for 25 of those years. Guys, and I've probably taught more traders than almost every other trainer or mentor in this industry combined. I've been at this a very, very long time. And I've trained traders from all over the world. And I will tell you that the failure of traders comes down to a very small handful of things. And this is very encouraging. It's not that you lose or fail because of myriad things, because of 2,500 things. You fail because of a small handful of broken rules. These rules form the foundation of proper market play. And if I can get you to correct your actions regarding these foundational cornerstones, for lack of a better phrase, then we can dramatically change the nature of your trading. And I'm talking about instantly. Guys, this is something that will not take time. This is not something that you need to work on for months or years. I am telling you that if you practice any few of these 10, you don't even have to do all of 10, all right? If you practice a few of these 10, I promise you, in less than a week, you're going to be like, wow. All right, so let's start. 10 steps to instantly increase your profitability in trading. Step number 1, limit the vast majority of your trades, your losing trades, to 1 bar. Now, my traders will know what this means intimately. So if you're not my trader, I have to go into a little bit of a discussion regarding this. We place trades based on specific events that happen in the market. We are chartists by nature, and so we're looking at predominantly a 2-minute chart of the market. So every bar of a chart represents 2 minutes of trading, right? So for instance, one event that we're looking for is what I call an elephant bar. Boom, solid green bar, right? That is usually forming above its 200 period moving average, right? So solid green bar, boom, solid 2-minute green bar. Let's say this 2-minute green bar is right off the open. My traders will look to buy 1 penny above that bar. So any subsequent bar, boom, that trades higher than the high of that first 2-minute bar, that first 2-minute elephant bar, boom, they go into the stop, 1 penny above, 1 penny above. Now, their protection is 1 penny below that bar. So whatever bar is the reason for their trade, it could be an elephant bar, it could be a tail bar, it could be what my traders know as a bull 180, it could be any event, whatever is the reason for the trade. The stop, the protection, if you're buying, goes 1 penny under the reason, 1 penny under that bar. We don't lose more than our reason. We don't lose more than the bar. Now, there are certain scenarios where my traders are instructed to lose more than the bar. This is why the rule says 80+% of the time, don't do this. Now, this is more directed to my traders, but if you're not my trader, this should be 100% your rule. My traders have exceptions. You, as an individual who's not my trader, you don't have an exception. 100% of the time, your stop goes under your reason. Your stop goes under the bar that forms the reason for your action. Okay? Now, if you don't have a reason, you don't have business trading. You shouldn't be making a trade if you don't have a reason. So Don't lose more than your reason. This one rule right there will keep you in this game forever. Do you understand that over 90% of all market participants will not last beyond 18 months in this business? Think about that. 18 months is the average lifespan of an individual trying to trade. 18 months. And I'll give you another statistic. All right. The average trader trying to do this deposits 7 times in their account. 7 times. So they lose it all 7 times and then they go away. And that 7 deposits happens generally over 18 months. So we love these traders because they're the ones that feed the winners, right? We need depositors coming into the market. We need individuals putting money into their account that they will never withdraw, that they'll lose. I mean, how else are you going to have winning traders? You need depositors and to serve the withdrawers, right? Right. So you have to decide what side of the equation you want to be on. Do you want to be a depositor that goes away in 18 months after 7 deposits? Or do you want to be a trader that never deposits into the market ever? And that's what I want my traders to be, to never deposit ever, to only withdraw. So we need a constant flow of these depositors. We need them coming in droves, right? But we don't want to be them. And one of the key ways to not being one of them, limit your losses to your reason. Limit your losses to 1 bar. If you lose 1 bar for the rest of your life, your wins will be 3 bars. You'll lose 1. Your wins will be 8 bars. You'll lose 1 bar. Your wins will be 40 bars. You'll lose 1 bar. Your wins will be 17 bars. You'll lose 1 bar. Your wins will be 3 bars. You'll lose 1 bar. 1 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar. All right. I hope I beat that horse to death. Limit your losses to 1 bar. And you will not be a depositor. If you do this one thing, you will dramatically, radically change your life, your trading life. Right there. We can end the session right here, and you will actually move to a different level of professionalism. Why? Because you will be doing the number one thing that professionals do. And what is that? Limit your losses. That's the number one reason people are losing traders. They don't limit their losses. They don't consistently limit their losses. And you're going to consistently limit your losses with this one rule. And you're going to instantly move yourself to a level of professionalism that's crazy with rule number 1. I hope I made myself clear. If you have any questions whatsoever, just jot them below. I will try to answer every single one. If you've liked this brief little talk on a tiny little subject, which I plan to do more frequently here, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe by clicking the bell in the upper left-hand corner. And once again, leave a comment. Let's help the algorithm. Let's help this message get out to as many people as possible. So next time, traders, trade well. Ciao for now. Boom.